You know, when I called Alan this week to ask him really what did he want me to emphasize as the essence of what he's all about, and he told me that it was really quite simple: tall, handsome, and charming is what he's all about. And I know you all know that, and it's obvious. So I'll tell you a little bit about the Alan Schnurman I know, who certainly is tall, handsome, and charming. Alan has been practicing law for 36 years, 28 of them in partnership with Ben Zimmerman. He specializes in personal injury law, does insurance law, also dabbles in real estate, but really he has been a protector of victims' rights, someone who stands up for people who can't stand up for themselves. From the beginning, he's been very generous in terms of the time that he gives to serve the profession, and also very focused in terms of improving bench bar dialogue. He's been a president of this association. He's on the board of NISLA. He's on the board of New York Law School as alma mater. He's on many screening panels, and just is continually active on behalf of the bar. His whole family is really integrally involved in what he does, and he's so proud of them. And he says to me, and I know it's true, that all the success he has had in life he owes to his wonderful wife, Judy. And Judy, what a team they are, as anybody who has appeared on Lawline knows. The brains and the beauty, and they go together. What a team. And I know he's so proud of David, Michelle. David's very active in the CLE area on the internet. Michelle is active in the firm and with David. And let me talk a little bit about Lawline, because I think it so personifies what Alan is all about. As you know, it's a TV cable program that concentrates on current topics and trends in the law. And this is not just like any other TV cable program. I know, I've been on the program 342 times at least, and every time I'm on it, and I mean every time, you have people who haven't seen you or heard from you in 25 years, they'll call and say, oh, I saw you on Lawline. Everyone watches Lawline. It's repeated many times on different channels, and I believe that people watch it because Alan really delves into the soul of the legal profession. Each and every time. To watch Alan in action, and those of you who've seen him, you know, with the arms flailing and the kind of great sincerity and warmth. And, you know, I also, as you may have noticed, talk with my hands and my arms. And when we get together on this program, it's like two symphony conductors, you know, arguing with each other. He really has his own unique sincerity, great smile, great warmth, and to be clear, engaged totally in educating the public about the role of lawyers. And this is so critical because the public really doesn't understand what we do and why what we do is important. The program personifies the Alan we know. He speaks to who we are as a program moderator, as a lawyer, in all the good deeds that he does. In the best sense of the word, Alan is a salesperson for the profession. He represents the best in all of us. I think the one quality that so fundamentally characterizes Alan is his great enthusiasm and joy for what he does. He loves the profession. He energizes all of us when he talks about it. He makes us feel good. Just to see him, to talk to him. He really, to me, I don't know how else to describe it, is just a mensch. He cares about us. He cares about the law. He cares about the profession. He's a wonderful, sincere, loving person who has a real joy of life and so much pride in being a lawyer. It is really with great joy for me to be able to give him this Lifetime Achievement Award. He so deserves it for his distinguished career, with a lifetime as an advocate, as an educator of the public about the law and lawyers and judges, and someone who makes us feel just terrific about who we are, about this great profession, about lawyers, about being a lawyer, about being a judge, and I am so proud to present him tonight with this Lifetime Achievement Award. Alan. Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Alan Schnurman in grateful recognition of his outstanding dedication and devotion to trial advocacy, New York City trial law